Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today I've come to Sri Balaji Creations, which is same as the Texas Mart. So they all have different branches all over the Bengaluru. So today I'll quickly show you all the footwear, bags, accessories, home decor and kids wear. So in my previous video I've shown you all the ladies wear and the men's wear. So this is going to be the continuation. So please watch the video till the last. So in Sri Balaji Creations, you get all these beautiful skirts, shorts at just ₹99. It's not only about the kids wear, you also get the same price in men's wear and ladies wear. So isn't it that amazing? I just love all the collections from them and their value for the money. So in Bengaluru, they have a lot of branches with different names. So one is called as Texas Mart and the other is called as Venkateshwara Garments and Sri Balaji Creations. So they have it with different names. So I would suggest you all, please check it in Google and then go to the nearby store where you stay. And I'll drop down all the links in the description box, which is the continuation of the part 1 and the Texas Mart and the Venkateshwara Garments. So you can check them out in the description box. They all are just amazing. So you also get this beautiful sling bags, which is for ₹99 and $149. You get it in different colors, which is red, green, blue, pink, ash and many more colors. All you need to do is have patience and then search, and you get this beautiful home decor items over here at a very reasonable price. And if you have any queries or questions regarding the shop or the address, you can drop down a message in the comment section below, or else you can ping me on Instagram. I will definitely reply you all out there. So they also have these beautiful ladies handbags, but the handbags are quite expensive. It is for $999. So I would suggest you all to invest on the sling bags because they are just for ₹99 and $149. And they also have this beautiful doormats. It is just for ₹69. So coming to the quality is quite good for its price. But before you buy any item, I would suggest you all to please check it out thoroughly that there are no damages. 90% of the time there would be no damage, but it's a small suggestion that please check it out whenever you're getting any item from Texas Mart or Venkateshwara Garments. So just look at this beautiful doormats. It's just for ₹69 and you get it in different colors. I really loved it and I'm definitely gonna pick this one. So now coming to the footwear, so they have a lot of collections and options in footwear. They have it in different brands. So in Venkateshwara Garments and Balaji Creations, they have 200 plus brands on clothing, footwear, accessories and many more. So all you need to do is have patience and then check it out. Just look at this beautiful footwear. I really loved it. It is just for ₹129. So don't worry about the size, you find all the size available over here, but you need to search as much as possible. So you also get it in menswear. So in menswear they have a lot of collections in different shades and size. So I really love this black shoe. It's a replica of a very well-known brand. I just don't want to say the name of the brand. So in Balaji Creations, Venkateshwara Garments and Texas Mart, they always have a great sale going on, which is 50 to 80% off, and this sale is going to be on everyday basis. So whenever you visit the place, you will definitely have this great sale. So that is it for today's video. I hope you all really loved watching it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you soon on the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.